3 reasons why some people might think getting a CDL license is pretty difficult. Reason number 1, it's confusing. To get a CDL license, there's a 2-step process. Step number 1, you're first going to have to pass a few different written tests to get yourself a CDL permit. Step number 2, you're going to have to pass a 2.5-hour long road test to get your actual license. The other thing kind of hard about getting a CDL license is this whole new ELDT that everyone's talking about. The main 2 things that changed during the ELDT process is that you have to go to an approved training provider and you have to be certified by them before you can actually go for a road test. And then the third reason is the road test itself. It's going to take about 2.5 hours long to complete. First part of the test is usually the hardest part for most people. This takes about an hour to complete. Here you're going to have to know how to inspect both the inside and outside of the vehicle. Second part of the test is all about parking the truck 6 different ways. They're going to have to know how to maneuver the tractor trailer. And the third part of the test is actually driving the truck on the road itself. Driving Academy will get you on your road to freedom.